Hi everyone, welcome back to Swiss Home Garden. Chitra here. In this video, I want to share with you our spring cleaning routine for our garden. Let's begin. On this paving, we have our garden table and also a swing. I think for the past couple of years, we have neglected this area, and in the meantime, moss has started to build up. We wanted to begin our spring cleaning routine first in this part because once the garden season starts, we will not have time for this, and it's slowly getting warmer, so we want to enjoy the garden from here. We usually take our breakfast and lunch and even dinner during the summer months outside, and it was really looking unsightly to sit outside in this. The best way to clean without using any harsh chemicals is using this pressure cleaner. This is not even consuming so much of water, it is a high pressure cleaner. And you don't need to be wasting your elbow grease by brushing and using harsh chemicals. So this is the easiest way. First, what we did was we removed the little foliage which was growing in between the tiles and then gave it a good sweep. The difference is remarkable. Using this pressure cleaner, you don't have to be wasting a lot of time. You get very quick results. We took all in all about 1.5 hours because we also cleaned towards the front porch. I will link below in the description box the machine which we used for doing this job. We don't own this machine, we could borrow it from our neighbor. I'm happy we could finally do this, and today in fact we could have our lunch outside as it is getting warmer. We are having longer daylight and even it is getting warmer just before Easter. With this, I end my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and thank you for watching. There is more gardening stuff coming up as it's already spring and we are looking forward to getting back to our garden. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.